What types of Siamsaiocht as Gaeilge are there? Have you ever wondered about the different forms of entertainment in the Irish language? Siamsaiocht as Gaeilge is a vibrant part of Irish culture, showcasing the beauty of the language through various artistic expressions. Let's take a closer look at the types of Siamsaiocht as Gaeilge that you can experience while traveling in Ireland. First up is traditional Irish music, known as Ceol. This is the heart of Irish entertainment, featuring lively instrumental dance tunes like reels, jigs, and hornpipes. Instruments such as the fiddle, flute, and uilleann pipes bring these tunes to life. You will often hear them in pubs and at festivals, where people gather to dance and celebrate. Next, we have sean-nós singing, or sean-nós. This unique style means old style and involves unaccompanied singing in the Irish language. It is characterized by its free rhythm and emotional storytelling. Sean-nós singing is often performed solo and is especially cherished in Gaeltacht regions, where the Irish language thrives. Another delightful form is Irish language songs, known as as Gaeilge. These folk songs cover a range of themes, from historical events to everyday life. They are performed both solo and in groups, helping to keep the Irish language vibrant and alive through music. Irish dance, or Rince Gaelach, is also a key part of Siamsaiocht as Gaeilge. This includes both step dance and set dancing. Step dance features rapid footwork and can be performed solo or in groups. Set dancing involves group figures and is often accompanied by traditional music. These dances are lively and are a wonderful way to experience Irish culture firsthand. Storytelling, or Siamsaiocht, is another essential aspect of Siamsaiocht. This oral tradition involves recounting myths, legends, and local tales in the Irish language. Storytelling sessions are common at cultural events, connecting audiences to Ireland's rich heritage. Lastly, we have instrumental airs, known as airs as Gaeilge. These are slow, expressive pieces often played on instruments like the harp or fiddle. They create a reflective atmosphere and showcase the lyrical beauty of Irish traditional music. For anyone traveling in Ireland, immersing yourself in Siamsaiocht as Gaeilge is a fantastic way to connect with the culture. Attend local music sessions, cultural festivals, and community events, especially in Gaeltacht areas. You will find many opportunities to enjoy these forms of entertainment, making your visit truly memorable.